A few weeks ago, I did a video on how to create 100 Pinterest pins in 10 minutes. And from that video, I got a lot of comments from people wanting to learn more about Pinterest. So this video is a follow-up, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do keyword research inside of Pinterest, so that way your boards and your pins can get the maximal reach by keyword research. In addition, if you're interested in getting a Pinterest ChatGPT cheat sheet that tells you how to use ChatGPT to help you with your pin descriptions and your pin titles, go ahead and click on the link down below so that way you can get free access to that. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Okay, so this is my Pinterest page, and as I mentioned earlier, I've grown this page from 200 monthly views all the way to 13.5 thousand monthly views. And I want to optimize my Pinterest profile a little bit better, and I want to start actually optimizing all of my boards. As you can see here, these are my boards. And so you're going to have to go to your saved, and then the save section is going to show you your boards. So I don't have that many boards, but these are my boards here. And I want to show you this keyword research process. Okay, so before you actually can do the keyword research on Pinterest, you're going to need a Pinterest business account. So I'm not going to be able to show you how to set that up, but just make sure you have a Pinterest business account because you can't do this on your personal account, okay? And how I'm going to do this is basically I have a Google Sheets here just with Pinterest keyword research, and I've listed out a couple of my boards on Pinterest. So these correspond with boards that I have here on Pinterest, okay? And what we're going to do is basically go down and we're just going to put in keywords that we find on Pinterest. So I'm going to show you how to actually do the keyword research on Pinterest. And what we are going to do is we're going to come up here and we are going to pretend like we are creating an ad. And so what we need to do is create campaign. And we need to go to manual. And this says resume my work because this is what I was doing earlier, but we're not resuming. I'm just going to start from scratch to show you guys what to do. And it does not matter what you click here, it does not matter. And I'm just going to go ahead and put in a little budget here just so we can get to the next page. We're going to hit continue. And then it's going to ask what your targeting strategy is. Once again, does not really matter. You just need to hit something so that way you can actually get down here to the interest and keywords. And so here are the interest and keywords. You can expand this here, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. And so a few years ago when I was actually trying to do this, a couple years ago, I got so confused about the interest and the keywords and how to do that and how to find things because I could not find things. And comes to find out, I was looking under interest versus keywords. So there is a difference. So it's going to automatically put you on add interest, but what you want to do is click on add keywords. And then from here, you can actually start typing in things related to what you do. I'm going to take off enable expanded targeting simply because we kind of want to see what's going to happen if you were going to. So this is going to show you what your monthly visitors would be organically and with ads. Okay, so I'm going to show you this here in just a second. So with that being said, with your Pinterest keyword research page, what you want to do is actually list out your Pinterest boards if you have them. If you are starting from scratch and you do not have any boards, what I would suggest is you just listing out your type of business you have and then what kind of products and services you offer. And I would be a little bit more broad rather than specific. So say for instance, you were a social media manager and you had a social media course on marketing on Instagram. I would broaden that out and start searching for things like social media manager, strategy, marketing strategy, things of that nature. Because you may not find anything super niche, but this is good either way, because with this keyword research, you're going to be able to optimize everything. So with all this keyword research that you're going to be doing, make sure that you are optimizing your pins. So that is the title of your pin and the description of your pin, and also your boards. Like I said, I've gotten my Pinterest account up pretty good without optimizing my boards, but now it's time for me to sit down and actually optimize them. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so as far as my business is concerned, I do content marketing, I do, books, I do YouTube, so I do a variety of different things. So I'm actually going to type in content marketing and see what actually pops up, because that's pretty specific. All right. So content marketing tips. So I have a board for content marketing, and as you can see, the potential monthly searches are anywhere from 100K to 500K per month. So I have really been missing out because I've not been using this. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this because I'm going to show you guys what it looks like if you were to run ads. This video is not about ads, but I may do something in the future about that because I have run Pinterest ads before, but I just want to click on this just to show you what exactly that looks like. So you see that this is organically 100 to 500,000 monthly searches. But if you were to run ads, your potential is 35.2 to 58.6 million audience size. So it's a pretty big match. It's pretty broad as far as what you can do with Pinterest ads if you were to do Pinterest ads versus Facebook or something. Okay, so with that being said, I am going to copy all of this and see what that's going to do. That's actually going to make 2 columns. Let's see if this will actually work for me. That's okay. Yeah, I can move that over. I'm okay with that. So, yeah, so I think that's absolutely amazing, and this is what you need to go through and do for all of your products, all of your services, and make sure you're doing your keyword research before you actually start putting things up. I did it backwards. But you can still always go back like I'm doing now and re-optimize things and make things even better, because this is a search engine and it is not social media. So basically what you're going to do, like I said, is you're going to go to your spreadsheet, you're going to go through all of your different boards, and then after all that's said and done, what you're going to do is you're going to come back to Pinterest, and then you are going to go back to your profile. And then you're going to get back to your boards. So your boards, like I said, they're under saved. So you get back to your boards, and then you can just click on one of them. So I was on content marketing. So you can click on this one here on the lower right-hand corner. And then this is where you start to edit your board. So if you're in a hurry like I was when I started, getting serious into Pinterest, like right after Thanksgiving. Yeah, right after Thanksgiving in 23, I was just putting up the boards, did not optimize this at all, but you can always come back and do this. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click, it's going to open here, and what you have is your title, the title of your board, and then your description. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go back to the keywords that you have and start intertwining these words here, like content marketing strategy, ideas, plans, things of that nature. Put that on your description. If you want to get super fancy, you can go ahead and put an image up here as far as your board cover, but I really don't care about that. I just care about the optimization here. And with that being said, this was really a really quick tutorial for you guys. But with that being said, if you are interested in learning how to make 100 pins in 10 minutes on Canva, make sure to check out the video that's above. And in addition to that, if you're interested in that ChatGPT Pinterest sheet that I have, I'll go ahead and drop the link for that down below as well. And you guys, I will see you on the next video.